Good morning, dear children. Welcome you all in this maths class. Children, today I am going to start new chapter and the name of the chapter is Smart Charts. Children, Smart Chart is a way of representing data in chart form. To make a smart chart, we use information that we get from different resources and we call this information as data. And children, we represent this data in various forms. In this class, we will learn about three types of smart charts: pictograph, bar graph and tally marks. So, first of all, let us know about pictograph. Children, here I have taken one example of pictograph. Here you can see on my left side the name of the months are written and on the right side pictures are drawn. Okay, and here scale of the this chart is given. One picture stands for 10 phone calls, right? So on this basis of a scale you can read this pictograph. Okay, we can tell in month of January 30 phone calls were made, because here you can see one picture stands for 10 phone calls, so 3 pictures will stand for 30 phone calls, right? Similarly, you can read number of phone calls by the given pictures. Here, now we have to give the answers of this question. In which month were the maximum number of calls made? If you see this pictograph, you can see in the month of May maximum number of pictures are made. So it is obvious that in month of May maximum numbers of calls were made, right? In which month were the least number of calls made? In which month least number of pictures are made? In month of February. So answer will be in month of February the least number of calls were made. Now third question is, how many calls were made in month of April? Children, here you can see in month of April 5 pictures are made. Okay, and one picture stands for 10 phone calls. So 5 picture will stand for 5 tens are 50. It means 50 phone calls were made in the month of April. Now the last one, how many calls did the family make by March end? Children, till March, this much of phone calls were made. So how many phone calls? How many pictures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. It means at the end of the March, 9 pictures were there. So 9 tens are 90. So you can say at the end of the March 90 phone calls were made. Children, this is how we can read the pictograph and give answers of the questions. Next type of a smart chart is bar graph. Children, bar graph is representation in which information is represented by using rectangular bars. As you can see in this picture, Rohan, Geeta and Jacob measured their hands and they draw the pictures of their hands in form of rectangular bars. Now children, let us see example, and here a smart chart is given in form of rectangular bars, right? And by observing this chart you can understand that how many children like which type of fruit. Here types of fruits and here number of children. So orange is liked by 12 children, apple is liked by 8 children. Here strawberry is liked by 14 children, and mango is liked by 16 children, and here grapes is liked by 4 children. Now on the basis of this bar graph, you have to answer some questions. Now, which fruit is most liked by children? Here you can see among all, the mango bar is the biggest one. So, mango is a fruit that is liked by most of the children. Now, which fruit is least liked by children? Here, this bar graph is the smallest in size. So, grapes is liked by least number of children. Okay. Now, how many children like strawberry? Here you can see this bar ends at number 14. It means 14 children like strawberry. Children, hope you all have understood how can we read this bar chart. Now let us know about tally marks. Now children, let us know about tally marks. Children, we represent data by using tally marks. Tally marks are in group of 5 lines. For making one tally marks, we draw 4 vertical lines. As you can see in this picture, 4 vertical lines and 1 line that cross all 4 lines diagonally. Okay, so they are in group of 5. So here for chocolate you can see 2 tally marks are made. It means how many chocolates are in number? 10. Okay, and here packets of biscuits 5, and this 3, 5 and 3, 8 you can see. Bottle of juice 3, 3. Packets of fruit cake 4. Lines means 4 number. Toffees 5, 5 and 2 means 12. Children, you all have observed that these tally marks are in group of 5, and when the next number comes, next line starts. Okay, and when 4 line completed, we cross it by diagonal line. Children, hope you all have understood about these types of smart charts. So, revise the lessons nicely and do the exercises. Thank you and have a good day.